Let's look at this question. 8 banks, SBI, Axis, BOB, HDFC, PNB, IDBI, OBC, and UBI participated in a survey in each of the years 2013, 14, and 15. Each bank was given a different rank from among 1 to 8 in each year. No bank got the same rank in any of the 2 or more years. So effectively, this has given a Sudoku-ish vibes. Hopefully, the ranks obtained by each bank are going to be different in every year. And every year, every column is supposed to have numbers from 1 to 8. Every row is supposed to have different numbers. Okay. So right off the top, let's record names of the banks. We have SBI, we have Axis, we have Bank of Baroda or Bob, we have HDFC, we have PNB, we have IDBI, we have OBC, and we have UBI. And we have the years 13 and 14 and 15. Let us delineate that with lines. Okay. Now, we have 3 years ranks to be distributed to these people. Let's see. PNB got rank 6 in 2013, rank 6 in 2013, and 4 in 2015. Okay. HDFC got rank 2 in 2014 and rank 1 in 2015. BOB got third rank in 2014. BOB got third rank in 2004. First point is very nice. It is giving us precise information. Next, the number of banks having higher rank than that of SBI in 2013 was equal to the number of banks having lower rank than that of it in 2014. SBI did not get rank 4 in 2013. So first thing I can write is SBI did not get rank 4. Now the interpretation of the first point, just see number of banks having a higher rank than that of SBI in 2013. Let's say in 2013 SBI got rank 1. So the number of banks getting higher rank than SBI in 2013 is 0. Should be equal to the number of banks having lower rank than SBI in 2014, which would mean if he got rank 1 in 2013, he should get rank 8 in 2014. Or if he got rank 2 in 2013, he should get rank 7 in 2014. If he gets rank 3 in 2013, he should get rank 6 in 2014. Hopefully, you can see with this set of numbers, you can see the sum of ranks of SBI in 2013 and 2014 adds up to 9. The sum of ranks of SBI in 2013 and 2014 adds up to 9, which is to say, if this is A, this is 9 minus A. So if this is not 4, this also cannot be 5. We know that. Okay. This is the interpretation of point number 2 that one should have. Next, the rank of UBI in 2014 was higher than that in 2015 and lower than that in 2013, which is to say, numbers wise, absolute number. Rank 1 is higher than rank 2 is higher than rank 3, which is also told to us in the question via this note. Rank 1 is higher than rank 2. It means UBI got his best rank here, his second best rank here, and his third best rank here. Can I also interpret this as worst rank in 2013 UBI can get is rank 6? He's supposed to get 3 different ranks. So rank 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 maybe works. But 6 also he can't get. So worst rank he can get in 2013 is 5. Worst rank UBI can get in 2013 is 5. And the best rank he can get in 2015 is 3. Best rank he can get in 2013 is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then he gets 3. But apart from that, nothing else we can interpret about this. Best, second best, third best, or UBI. Okay. The sum of ranks of BOB in 3 years is equal to the sum of ranks of Axis in the 3 years. So these sum is same. Okay. Next, we have Axis OBC IDBI got 3 consecutive ranks in that order from higher to lower in each of the given 3 years. Okay, so the ranks of Axis, OBC and IDBI are always 3 consecutive numbers, with Axis getting the smallest number or the highest rank. So in the first year, see, Axis having 1, OBC having 2, and IDBI having 3 is possible. 1, 2, and 3. This is possible. Then Axis having 2, OBC having 3, and IDBI having 4. This is also possible. Axis having 3, OBC having 4, and IDBI having 5. This is also possible. No problem at all so far. No problem at all so far. But now we cannot proceed because 4, 5, 6 is not available. It is already taken up by PNB. In that list of numbers, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is not available. You need 3 consecutive numbers. It can only be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5. So these are the only possibilities of ranks that Axis, OBC, and IDBI can have in 2030. Let us do the same working for 2014. For 2014, now see 1, 2, 3. These are not available. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are available. So 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 6, 7, 8. These 3 cases would be existing. 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Sorry. I jumped the gun. It should be 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, and finally 6, 7, and 8. These 3 possibilities exist. For 2015, you don't have 1 available, you don't have 4 available, the ones that are already allocated. So can you see there are only 2 possibilities, 5, 6, 7, and 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, or 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, or 6, 7, 8. This is done. And funnily enough, this is the end of the instructions. We have pretty much understood all the instructions given to us, and this is the end of it. We don't really have a precise outcome here. We don't really have a precise case here. We don't really have, or maybe there are multiple cases getting created. At these times, when you think that there are multiple cases, my recommendation is go check the questions. If something can be solved basis whatever you have so far, something can be solved basis whatever you have so far, at least mark that away. Okay, let's see. What was the difference between the highest possible sum and the lowest possible sum of the ranks of PNB in the 3 years together? For PNB, the highest possible sum and lowest possible sum. Now see, here, PNB, can it have rank 1? Most definitely, there is no challenge to it having rank 1. But I can't be certain whether it can have rank 1 or not, because it would depend on how it impacts the other places. So I'm going ahead and trying to make, even if I make one possible case where PNB gets rank 1, then I will have the lowest possible sum of ranks. Let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. Then 4, 5, 6. So this can be 7. I'm working with this case 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this can be 8. If this is 8, this has to be 1. So now I would have to work with 2, 3, 4. I have to work with this 2, 3, 4. It has to be better than 7. So 1 is used up, 2 is used up, 3 is used up, 4 is used up, 6 is used up. So this has to be 5. Also, this has to be 8. If this has to be 8, this has to be 6. This has to be 7. This has to be 5. Okay. So 2, 4, and 5 adds up to how much? 2, 4, and 5 adds up to 11. Can I make a case for 11 for BOB? Because the sum has to be same. 11. I need 8 more. What is left here? 7 is left and 8 is left. Either 7 or 8 is left. So if I put down 8 here, 8, 2 plus 4 plus 5. Ooh, 2 plus 4 plus 5 is 11. It is 11 right now. If this is 11, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 has to come here. If 8 comes here, BOB will already be 11. You can't have rank 0 here. So it has to be rank 7. If it is rank 7, then 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus something will be a problem. Here I did not really have a choice. I did not really make a choice. The last choice I made was for 2, 3, 4. So let me change that choice. Let me change that choice. Here I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and therefore I had to go 7 here. I can't have it lower than 7. If I have it at 7, so I have mistakenly rubbed off 2 also. The choice that I made was 1 I can't have, 1, 2, 3 I cannot have. So 2, 3, 4 also I cannot have. So I would have to make the choice for 3, 4, 5. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. Again, this is 2. Now, if this is 2, this is 7. This is again 8. This 2, 7, 8. Okay. Now, if 8 is used up, this 7, 6, 5 is guaranteed. If 7, 6, 5 is guaranteed, at least this time I have 12 getting created. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 12. So if I take 8 plus 3 plus 1, 1 I can't really have. So I would have to give 7 here. 7 plus 3 plus 2. Wonderful. 8 is gone. What is left? 1, 2, 3 is left. So yes, we can have a case. We can have a case where PNB gets rank 1. We can have a case where PNB gets rank 1. Okay. Now I have to erase all this. Can I have a case where PNB can have rank 8? The max case I'm checking directly. Because eventually what the question asked was maximum difference between the best rank obtainable by PNB and the worst rank obtainable by PNB. So let's see if I can have a case where he gets 8. If he gets 8, then 6, 7, 8 as a possibility is gone. Okay, 8. So let me give 4, 5, 6. Let me try with this 4, 5, and 6 with 4, 5, 6, 8, 2, 3. This can either be 7 or be a 1. 1 and 7 are the only numbers left. Let this be 7. Last time 7 had worked out here. But remember, this is a choice that I'm making. Because this is 7, this will be 1. Because this is 1, this will be 8. Okay. Now 4, 5, 6 is used up, 8 is used up. All of this is done. Now, because this is 7, this has to be 8. So 6, 7, 5 is already done. Okay. Which is to say, I would again need this to be 3. Otherwise, if it is 2, then it will be a problem. It will be a problem. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3. Is 1, 2, 3 available? 1, 2, 3, 8, 4, 5. Lots of things are available. Okay. But I'd prefer doing 3, 5, 4. I'm randomly making a case. I'm randomly checking a case. There is no logic behind why I have taken 3, 5, 4. Simply because last time 3, 5, 4 worked for me. So at this time also I'm doing 3, 5, 4. With that in mind, I have rank 1 to give away. Let's say I have rank 1 here. Let's say I have rank 1 here. Now 1, 3, 4. 2 I need. So if I do 2 here, 5, 4, 3 adds up to 12. If I do 2 here, I would need 2 plus 5 plus 7. 7 is already allocated, cannot work. If 3 is already used up, 4 is already used up, 5 is already used up, 6 is already used up. If I do 7 here, 7 plus 3 plus 2, yes, this can work. 7, 3, 2, 7, 3, 2. This can work. Now, what is the only rank left here? 1. This will be 2. And this is a problem. No, I can't really have 2 here. So this is an unacceptable case. The last decision made was this being 1. 3, 5, 4 I will stick with. This being 1 was the last decision made. So I can't have it as 1. Let me have it as 2. Again, this will be 7. This will be 1. Then I will need 8 here. 8 is already used up. This is also not possible. Which is to say, 3, 5, 4 was the decision even prior to that. So let me not work with 3, 5, 4. Let me work with 2. Sorry, not 6. 2, 4, and 3. Let me work with 2, 4, and 3. So with 2, 4, and 3, I have 5 available here. Now if I have 5 available here. Can I have 5? I'm simply trying to see. Yes, with 5. No, with 5, 3, 3, it will be a repetition. We can't have that. I need 11. With 4, 3, 4 would be a repetition. 5, 3, 3 would be a repetition. 1, 3, 7 is already used up. 2 is already used up. 3 is already used up. 4 is already used up. 5, 5, 3, 3, can't do it. 6 is already used up. 7, 3, 2. 7, 3, 2. Yes, perhaps 7, 3, 2 might work. It is 7, 3, 2. Then what is left here? 1 is left. 1 cannot come with HDFC, so comes with UBI. 2 is used up. 3 is used up. 4 is used up. 5 is left. Yes, this could be 5. 5, 2, 1, 7, 3, 2. Just for peace of mind, 1, 2, 3 is left. So yes, a case has been made. A case has been made where PNB can also get rank 8. We have created two possible cases. Where PNB gets this unknown rank in 2014 as rank 1 also possible and rank 8 also possible. So the difference between the highest possible sum and lowest possible sum of ranks of PNB in the 3 years together is 7. Because 6 and 4 is anyway set in stone. Everything else is editable. Okay. Erasing these red portions because they are not really guaranteed info. They are just markers for what can be done here. Next, how many of the following statements are true? UBI could get rank 1 in a year. In the last case that we had made, if I just bring stuff back, in the last case that we had made, UBI could get rank 1 in a year. This is already valid. UBI could get rank 1 in a year. So this is true. OBC got rank 1 in 2013. If OBC got rank 1 in 2013, can you see there is no chance OBC gets rank 1 in 2013 because statement 5 says Access OBC IDBI got 3 consecutive ranks in that order. Given that OBC, so if OBC got ranked 2013, then SBI was ranked 5th in 2014. We can't call this statement true. Because the condition can never, the initial condition can never be satisfied. We cannot call this statement true because the initial condition is never getting satisfied. Next, the worst rank that PNB could get in any year was 7. No, we had already had a case where the worst rank PNB got was rank 8. So this is also not true. I'm wondering if statement true 2, I can classify it as true. If a condition is not met, then the condition is followed. If the qualifying criteria for the condition is not met, the condition is being followed. Okay. I would go ahead and classify this as true then. I would go ahead and classify this as true. Because if someone gives me $500 million, I will donate it all to charity. This is a true statement because nobody is giving me $500 million. As and when they do give me, then we will know the veracity or non-veracity of this. But right now, if ABC got, because this is in condition, if it was framed as OBC got rank 1 in 2030 and SBI was ranked 5th in 2014, then see, both these are impossible things. Absolutely impossible things. See, because SBI was ranked 5th. SBI ranked 5th in 2014 would mean in 2013, SBI was ranked 4th, and we were told SBI did not get rank 4 in 2013. Both these are impossible things. Yet, because the condition is not met, the subsequent action not being met, this statement will remain true. Okay, conditional statement, wonderful realization from my own end. If SBI had got rank 1 in 2013, then how many banks were placed between UBI and PNB in 2014? And now I need to run through the condition given. The first thing told to us is SBI got rank 1 in 2013. So if this is 1, this is 8. If this is 8, then 6, 7, 8 is no longer possible. But 4, 5, 6, and everything else is possible. Okay, 8 is gone. 1 has to come. 1 cannot come here. 1 cannot come with UBI. If we give, because this is the second best number, 1 cannot come with UBI. So 1 has to come with PNB. 1 has to come with PNB. And then what is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can have 7 here. If this is the case I'm following, I can have 7 here. Otherwise, I can have 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. I write it in a manner that it is appreciated. So 7 or 4. I am getting 2 cases. So how many people were placed between UBI and PNB? Either the answer is 6 or the answer is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or this. Okay. Let's see with 7 if I can make a case. That should be the answer. If I cannot make a case, then 4 should be the answer. Because 1 cannot come with UBI. That is guaranteed. 1 cannot come with UBI. For the rest of it, we can make our workings. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is used up here. Okay. 8 is used up here. 7 is used up here. If 7 is used up here, then 8 is used up here. Then 6, 7. What is left on this page is 3. 3 is left. So 3 has to come with SBI here. Then 1, 2 has to come here, BOB. If 2 is here and 3 is here, 5 is already done. Okay. Now here, what all are left in this page? 1 is here. So 1, 2, 3. The first case cannot be used. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 5. Everything done so far is a precise case. Or is it a precise case? No. 4, 5, 6 was a choice. Everything on the right hand side is a precise case, but 4, 5, 6 was a choice. Okay. Let's check here. Right now, 1, 2, 3 is no longer available. So if it was 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is left. So 5 will have to go here. If 5 goes here, 5 plus 4 plus 2, 5 plus 4 plus 2 adds up to 11. So 2 plus 3 plus 6 I will need. 6 is not available. The two numbers left are 8 and 7. If I put down 7 here, not valid. If I put down 8 here, not valid. Either case, this is unacceptable. So this will not work. So the next case I have to check is 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 is missing, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. Again, 2 has to go here. But now if I put 7 here, now if I put 7 here, this is fine. Now if I put 7 here, this is fine. So if I put 7 here, if I put 7 here, 7 plus 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4 plus 3, all conditions are met. And then I get 8 here. And yes, this turns out to be an acceptable case, appears to be an acceptable case. All conditions are being met. So if SBI got rank 1 in 2013, then how many banks were placed between UBI and PNB in 2014? UBI is rank 7, SBI is rank 1. How many banks are placed between them? HDFC rank 2, BOB rank 3, Axis rank 4, OBC rank 5, IDBI rank 6. There are 5 banks placed between them. The difference in their ranks is 6, but there are 5 banks placed between them. Okay, last. Find the least possible sum of ranks of Axis in the 3 years together. I need a least possible sum of ranks for Axis. Okay, first I will erase all these red markings and see if I can do some magic. If I'm looking for least possible sum of ranks of Axis in the 3 years together, first thing I want to do is check with the smallest case possible. If this is 1, this is 4, and this is 5. 1, 4, and 5 if I'm working with. 1, 4, and 5. I need a 10 for Axis. Can I make a case with 10? Can I make a case with 10? Okay, as soon as I have done this, I have also done this. 5, 7, 6, 1, 4. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3 is used up. 4 is needed. Some okay. No, first for BOB, I will try to make for BO. Okay. Well, for 2015, 1 is used up. 2, can it come with UBI? No. Can 3 come with UBI? No. See, why 3 cannot come? Because 1 is not here. Third best for UBI can be 3 if this was 1, 2, 3. If it was 1, 2, 3, only then can 3 come here. So 3 cannot come here, 2 cannot come here, 4 cannot come, 5 cannot come, 6 cannot come, 7 cannot come. The only number that can come here is 8. This is guaranteed. If the only number that can come here is 8, now see, the only 2 ranks left on this page to distribute are rank on in this year to distribute are rank 3 and rank 2. 3 cannot come with BOB, so it has to be 2. So this has to be rank 1. Sorry, this has to be rank 3. This is done. Now if 1 and 4 and 5, 10 is done, 2 and 3. So let this be 5. This is also done. Okay. Now I have to look for 2 numbers that add up to 9 and are available in 2013 and 2014. Is there a value that I can work with? 1 is used up, 2 is used up, 3 is used up. 4 and 5 I can't do because could not be 4. 5 and 4 I cannot do. 6 and 3 I cannot do because 3 is used up here. 7 and 2 I cannot do. But 8 and 1 I can do. If A is 8, this is 1. Yes, this can work. This is absolutely fine. Now in this column, what is left? Rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4 is left. Rank 4 and rank 7 are left. This column, rank 4 and rank 7 are left. UBI, the worst ranking for this best has to be rank 6. So this has to be rank 4. It cannot be 7. It has to be 4. So this has to be 7. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are left. 8 cannot be here. So let's put down 7 here and let's put down 8 here. Is this an acceptable case? Very much so. All the possibilities, all the conditions given in the questions are being met. And therefore, the least possible sum of ranks of Axis in the 3 years together is 10. This is a very, very, very difficult question. This is a very, very, very difficult question because it requires you to work with your base case over and over and over again and requires a lot of attention at the time of solving. This is a wonderful, wonderful set. Great for learning, maybe not so great to attempt in an exam, but then case finding and making pathways thereon, wonderful learning for this. Okay, bye.